the light, it crept in, a thin silver thread, through the gaps in the curtains above our heads, and the dust motes danced like tiny lost stars on the breath of the morning, erasing the scars. Oh, morning's whisper, soft and low, where did the night go? Morning's whisper, holding you near, chasing away every doubt, every fear.